Okay guys, I welcome you to my channel which is about ACCA concepts, problems and solutions. We are providing you some of the understanding questions and also the videos with solutions covering different topics of which may include fundamentals course F1 to F9 or even the professional courses P1 to P5 or 6 or 7 electively. So what is the purpose of this video is just to provide you some of the basic income tax computation, and let's see what we can have as far as the problems or understanding are concerned. Income tax computation. Normally individuals are assessed to income tax on their income arising in a tax year. What is the basis of assessment? Income tax is payable by a UK resident individual on their income for a tax year. Okay, and it is the law for the UK. But if you are talking about different tax laws for different lands, so you may actually have the same concept as well, driven from the UK principles, but the assessment would be like this. And also if you have some of the personal allowances, when we talk about personal allowances, every taxpayer is entitled to a basic personal allowance, PA, personal allowance. The PA is an amount of tax free income that every taxpayer is entitled to each tax year. The basic PA in 2008 or 9 is, obviously I'm talking about 2008 or 9, that was 6035, but obviously it is changed as far as 2019 or 1819 is concerned. So personal allowances are dealt with, you can have in detail as well, so this probably is not relevant. So this is the personal allowances. When we talk about the assessable persons, every individual is required to pay income tax on his or her taxable income for each tax year. The implications of this are all individuals, including children, are chargeable to income tax. Both spouses within a married couple are treated as separate individuals for the purposes of income tax. When we talk about husband and wife, there are special rules governing the allocation of income between spouses, where assets are jointly owned. Okay. Generally, income generated from assets jointly owned will be split 50-50 between spouses regardless of the actual percentage ownership. Civil partnerships are treated in the same way as married couples. Civil partnership. Civil partners are same-sex couples who are registered as a civil partnership under the Civil Partnership Act 2004. So this is just the basic theory. When we talk about the computation as well, income tax computation. Earned income and trading income. That includes trading income, employment income. Okay, then we have property income. That includes investment income, that is building society interest, bank interest, or UK dividends if you're talking about investments. So obviously you have the dividend as well for the company registered in the same land, which is UK, as we are discussing right now. Excuse me. Total income, net income, less personal allowances, that is taxable income. Okay, so this is how you're going to compute it. Classification of income. There are a number of different sources of income. Obviously there are different sources of income. For example, income earned from employment and self-employment. Income arising from the ownership of property, and investment income if some investment has already been taken. Obviously you can have the income in the form of dividends. Income exempt from income tax. This is also a source of income as well. So for tax rules normally are different. Tax rules are different for each source of income. So all taxable income is included in the income tax computation gross. Some income such as employment income and bank interest will have had some tax deducted at source. So earned income, what is an earned income? That is also a very good topic. Earned income can be generated in following ways. The profit of a trade, profession or vocation, vocation of a self-employed individual, is assessed as trading income. Earnings derived from an office or employment are assessed as employment income. And you also have the property and investment income. Sources of property and investment income include property income, number 2 is the savings income, normally in the form of bank and building society interest. So this can be received either net or gross. Okay, so we also have a dividend income as well. This is how you're going to deal with it. Exempt income, income from certain national savings products, national savings products, and also gaming, lottery, and premium bonds winnings are also included, and some social security benefits So there are also reliefs as well. Reliefs are deductible from an individual total income. Okay. Now we're going to solve some of the understanding. Tony has accessible income or the trading income of pound 19,535 and employment income of 2008-9. He does not have any savings income or dividend income. Calculate Tony's income tax liability for 2008-09. We have already discussed the format for the income tax computation. So the income tax computation 2008-9 trading income is this one, 19,535. Employment income is 3,000. The total would be 22,535. Less personal allowance, that would be 6,035, and that is taxable income, which would be 16,500. Income tax liability is 16,500 multiplied by 20%, so that would be 3,300. That is the income tax liability. We solve another question, and probably that would be understanding 2. Teresa has accessible trading income of pound 4765 and employment income of for 2008-09, she does not have any savings income or dividend income. Calculate Teresa's income tax liability for 2008-09. So answer 2 would be income tax computation. Trading income is 4765. Employment income is 4000. That would add up to total income of 44765 less personal allowance, that would be 6035, and then you have 38730, that is taxable income. Okay, so that is the taxable income. We can divide it in parts. Income tax with the basic rate 34,800 multiply by 20%, that would be 6960, and higher rate, sorry if it has been finished probably, I believe. So this is how you're going to actually calculate by giving the 40% to the rest of the amount, and you can calculate the income tax liability in total by having 20% applied at this, the remaining or the difference would be applied with the 60%, or sorry 40%. Adding both of these, you're going to have the income tax liability. So this is the answer to this problem, and you can able to solve it with the help of just computing this, and you can have all the questions in your hand. So this small bit of the video hopefully will help you to gain an idea about the basic income tax computation, and when we are dealing with the income tax, we'll able to actually, it is assessment is on the basis as a UK resident, but obviously our ACCA theme is for Southern India, so you may actually get the respective tax land law, and also you can have the rates as well for the respective year and for the respective state, probably when you're going to actually filter it out, and also you can have the exact amount as a tax liability for a given year and for a respective land, or and also a respective state as well. So this is how we'll able to actually complete this basic income tax computation, and you can have all sort of different incomes divided on the personal allowances and also the assessable persons. Who are the assessable person? I have discussed this as well. I have discussed the husband and wife as an as an actually definition, as in text applicable for that category. And also you have the civil partnership as well. The income tax computation format has also been discussed. The classification of income has also been discussed with different sources of income, and also the rules for the different sources are also different. And you can also have the earned income criteria to be discussed as well, and can be generated in the following ways. So it all depends upon your trade. It also depends upon your profession as well when you talk about the earned income. And also you can have the earnings derived from an office or employment are assessed as employment income as well. So as this is the categories. You also have the property and investment income as well. Sources are property income, savings income, dividend incomes. Exempt income is also included when your income from certain national savings products. And when you talk about India especially, we have also have the national savings products, so you can also discuss those a bit of the details as well. And also some social security benefits reliefs are deductible. And I have actually applied this piece of information and or the topic or even the chapter of ACCA, which is all about the taxation. And it's in the UK taxation as per the UK law. So I have actually the variant is taxation variant. Okay, and also it is for the rules and the rates are being for the financial year and for the year for UK. But when you attempt these questions, you need to know obviously the rules and the rates, or the tax rates and the tax rules for the given year for UK. If you are actually attempting F6 paper, which is about taxation, or even at the advanced taxation level as well, you need to follow the given set of rules as well. So I have tried to explain some of the basic computation. It is just at the fundamental level. And if you are interested in having some of the problems to be discussed online, you can just provide it and we can actually help you to complete the whole problem as well. But with this video, I hope that I have actually explained enough for you guys to get an idea about the basic income tax computation. And in the coming video, obviously I'll try to cover some of the more topics related to the ACCA qualification from the fundamental to professional level. And I hope that you'll able to actually like, subscribe, comment, and also press the bell notification button, or you can ask for our service for online tuition, and just put in the comment section, or you can email, or even you can contact. We're going to reply accordingly, and we can have a live session, and as per your bookings and as per your schedules. And also over the week we can provide you the detailed schedule of the online classes you may have through YouTube or through Google or Hangouts or through Skype or through other platforms, what would be easy to get in. So for this, I'll able to actually provide you further information on different topics related to ACCA qualification and probation, and how you can sit in the examination and take the examination and pass it in one go without any further implications or problems. And I hope that you will able to actually understand it full, so that you can complete it and you can have the pass mark for taxation, or especially. So I'm going to end up my video. For the further videos, I'll able to actually provide you more material and more solutions as well. So keep following, and you may recommend this channel to any other of the prospective candidates or the students interested in getting the ACCA qualification, we can provide them this online session like this one as per their requirement and settings, and we can complete a lot of the questions as well. So with these remarks, I'm going to end up my video. Till the next video, take care and have a nice day.